Hi guys, thanks for coming back. Today we're going to make a girl's hair bow, and it's a really fun project to do. So let me show you everything that you need and we'll get started. Okay, the supplies that you need for the hair bow are 2 inches wide ribbon, 5/8 of an inch wide ribbon, alligator clips that are 80 millimeters. You need needle and thread, and I got all of this stuff at Hobby Lobby. You need some fray check to seal the ends of the ribbon, or you can use a lighter. You need some scissors, and you need a glue gun. So let's go make that bow. Go ahead and cut your ribbon to 30 inches in length. Measure 3 inches down from one end of the ribbon and mark it with a straight pin, and make sure you put it in the middle of the ribbon. Turn the ribbon over and bring the other end up to the pin that you just put in there, and crease it at the fold really good, and put a pin in the middle of this crease. Now take the end that has the pin at the 3-inch mark and place it behind the ribbon as seen in the picture. Line up the middle of that pin to the middle of the other pin and put straight pins in place to hold this. Now take the other end and turn it so the back side lines up with those pins, and make sure all the ribbon is even on the sides. Pull the pins out that you just put in and pin this one down as well. You should have a figure 8. Then you're going to take this figure 8 and fold it in half. On one side, press the ribbon down at the fold really good and put in a pin. Do this on the other side. Now take one of those pins that you just put in and line it up horizontally with the V that is made in the bow on the side. Pin this in place and then do it on the other side. Now turn the bow over. You're going to take a needle and thread and you're going to stitch gathering stitches across horizontally from one V to the next V. When you've reached the other side with the needle and thread, then you need to take all of the pins out. Once you take all the pins out, pull the gathering stitches and gather it up into a squished bow in the middle. After you have finished smushing it up in the middle, take that thread and wrap it several times around the middle to hold that smush. Then take the needle and thread and make 2 locking stitches and cut the thread close to the locking stitch. Now take your 5/8 of an inch wide ribbon and measure out 6 inches and snip this at 6. Then you're going to take that ribbon and you're going to tie it into a simple knot in the middle of it. Check your knot and see if it is the right size for the bow, and then take some glue and use your glue gun and put a little squirt of glue on that bow and then put your knot on top of it to hold it down. Okay, now take your barrette, your alligator clip, and put some hot glue on it and set it down on the bow, and then take those strands from the knot and clip to length and glue those down as well onto the alligator clip. Finally, take the tail of the bow and clip it at an angle. Use a lighter or use fray check to seal the ends of the ribbon. And your bow is finished. I hope you like it.